My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Mini Hatch. This vehicle has done 23,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen, we can get access to navigation, settings, vehicle information, mini connected, contacts, telephone, multimedia and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.